Hello everyone, I hope you all are having a great time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of signing into the online banking service of Bank of America. But before that, here's a short description about the bank. The Bank of America Corporation is an American multinational investment bank and financial services holding company. It is one of the largest banking and financial services corporations in the United States. It was formed through Nation Bank's acquisition of Bank of America in 1998. So if you want to find out how you can log into the online banking service of Bank of America, then make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, go to the web browser of your choice and in the address bar type www.bankofamerica.com and hit enter. You'll then be redirected to the official website of Bank of America. Now, at the left side of the screen, as you can see here, you are being asked for your online ID and passcode. Enter the details asked here, and if you want your device to remember your online ID, then check on this box right here. But don't tick it if you are using a public or shared device. Once you have entered the details, click on sign in, and that's it. You'll be logged into the online banking service of Bank of America. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, How to Geek. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye-bye.